in Mysore, MERN College. I am interested in software development. That's why after doing 1 year of job in non-IT field, after I joined here to pursuing the courses related to IT field. Then I searched in YouTube, Google about this institute. I have felt that this institute is so good. Then I joined this institute. Here coaching is provided from the basics, so that will help me to learn the courses very easily. And I felt that IT course is too difficult before I coming here. After that I felt that it's too easy because of the way they are teaching. Success are teaching me from basics things, and Chaitanya sir teaching is also very good. That too, they are teaching the real-time experience. Like they are giving the real-time examples where they are teaching, which will help me to analyze how the real-time scenario is going on. So I feel so good about this, and the environment, whatever there in AchieversIT, it's too good.